Hi children, in the previous class you have learned about plane figures. Let us learn about plane figures with 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional shapes. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹಿಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಳ ರೇಖಾಕೃತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಮತಲಾಕೃತಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ 2 ಆಯಾಮ ಮತ್ತು 3 ಆಯಾಮದ ಆಕೃತಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯೋಣ. Let us learn about 2-dimensional shapes. 2-dimensional shapes have 2 dimensions like length and breadth. It have sides and corners. For example, triangle, square, triangle, square, rectangle, oval, circle, pentagon, hexagon, etc. 2 ಆಯಾಮದ ಆಕೃತಿಗಳು ಉದ್ದ ಮತ್ತು ಅಗಲವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿವೆ. ಸಮತಲಾಕೃತಿಗಳು ಸರಳ ರೇಖೆಗಳಿಂದ ರಚಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು. ಈ ರೇಖೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬಾಹುಗಳು ಎನ್ನುವರು. 2 ಬಾಹುಗಳು ಸೇರುವುದನ್ನು ಶೃಂಗಗಳು ಎನ್ನುವರು. First of all, we see the triangle shape. It is a 2-dimensional shape. It's a plane figure. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. ತ್ರಿಭುಜವು ಸಮ ಅಥವಾ ಅಸಮ 3 ಬಾಹುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ 3 ಶೃಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. Next one example, square. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Next one example, rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Next one example, circle. It has no sides, no corners. It have curved line. Let us learn about 3-dimensional shapes. A 3-dimensional shapes, solid or hollow shapes, also has depth. 3-dimensional shapes have length, width and height. For example, cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, cylinder shape, triangular prism, thread, pipe, pyramid shape, etc. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಾವು 3 ಆಯಾಮದ ಆಕೃತಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 3 ಆಯಾಮದ ಆಕೃತಿಗಳು ಘನಾಕೃತಿಗಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ. ಇವು ಉದ್ದ, ಅಗಲ ಹಾಗೂ ಎತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತವೆ. 3 ಆಯಾಮದ ಆಕೃತಿಗಳು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಘನ, ಆಯತ, ವೃತ್ತ, ಧಾರ, ವರ್ತುಲಾಕಾರ, ಶಂಕಾಕಾರ ಮುಂತಾದವುಗಳು. First one example, cube. Cube, it has 6 flat surfaces and 8 vertices and 12 edges. First one, see, observe it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges and 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Another one example, cuboid. Cuboid also has 8 vertices, 6 flat surfaces and 12 edges. Next one example, cone. Cone, it has round based 1 flat surface, then 1 edge. 1 edge. Next one, cylinder. It has 2 faces, based round and 2 faces. Hollow cylinder shape. See, for example, pipe. Another one example, children, observe this figure. This is two-dimensional shape, quadrilateral. It has 4 corners, 4 corners and 4 sides. It has 2 diagonals. 2 diagonals means a straight line joining 2 opposite corners. 2 opposite corners of a square, rectangle or another straight side shape. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇದು 2 ಆಯಾಮದ ಆಕೃತಿ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬಾಹುಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ 4 ಶೃಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿರುವ 2 ಗೆರೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರ್ಣೀಯ ಅಥವಾ ಕರ್ಣ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇವು ವಿರುದ್ಧ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರುವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರ್ಣೀಯ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. Okay children, let us learn about two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes here given. First one, observe the figure. This is a triangle. Triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. I am a plane figure with 3 sides and 3 corners. Who am I? My name is triangle. Write it here. Triangle. Next, observe the triangles here given. How many sides in the first figure? 3 sides and 3 corners. Next one figure, observe it. This is also triangle. How many sides here? 3 sides and 3 corners. Next, another one triangle given here. Observe it. How many sides here? 3 sides. And how many corners here? 3. 1, 2, 3. Write it. 3 corners. Next one, quadrilateral. Observe the quadrilateral figure. Here given 4 corners and 4 sides and 2 diagonals. The line which join the opposite corners of a quadrilateral are called diagonals. Observe it. Diagonal. I am a plane figure with 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Who am I? My name is quadrilateral. Write it. Quadrilateral. Next, observe the quadrilaterals. Different kinds of quadrilaterals. First one, quadrilateral. Here, how many sides have? 4 sides. Right here, 4 sides. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. And how many diagonals? 1, 2. 2 diagonals. Observe the next one, quadrilateral figure. How many sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Right? Next, how many corners here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Next, observe the diagonals. How many diagonals are there? 1, 2. 2 diagonals. Third one, quadrilateral. Observe it. See how many sides are there? 4 sides and 4 corners, 2 diagonals. Last one, observe the sides. Here also have 4 sides and 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Remember you, triangle has sides, 3 sides, 3 corners. Quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 corners, 2 diagonals. Now we observe the three-dimensional shapes. Here given some 3 diagonal. Okay, next main. See, observe it. Join the dots and complete the pictures and identify the dimensions. See, here given dots, you have to join it. Dot lines are there. Join it. Okay, next one picture. Third one, cuboid. Cuboid has 8 vertices, 6 flat surfaces and 12 edges. Join it. Next one, cone shape. Okay children, next one. Join the numbers by straight line. You have to join it. One after two, join it. Next, two, three, four. Look like a candle. Next one, figure, join it. One, two, three, four, five, six. Look like a cube. Next one, join the numbers, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look like a cube. Next one figure, join it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Look like a cone shape. Children, here given some box. You draw the picture using scale or by freehand drawing yourself. Thank you. Now we see the three-dimensional shapes. Observe the figures. It's solid figures. See first one, candle. Color it candle. Use the crayons or color pencils. Next one, tube. Color it. Okay. Next one box. Observe it and color it. And here given, this is cuboid and this is cone shape. Are you see the birthday cap? That is like a cone shape. Observe it and color it.
Thank you.